You are going to be a fanny of Goodwill, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chris Sheets. We've got Doug, we've got Shayla, we've got Paige, also known as The Rock, The Rock, The Rocks.
You almost broke me there for a minute with the fannies of Goodwill. If you smell what Goodwill is cooking this Halloween, you can find your one-of-a-kind costume here at Goodwill.
It's a no-brainer. You have to come to Goodwill if you're looking for anything Halloween, right?
Well, that's exactly right. And it's all about using your imagination, because you can find a store-bought costume, or you can search and find something totally unique or three of a kind. When it comes to The Rock.
And of course, you're helping out the community as well.
Exactly. Every costume that you buy at Goodwill, you're actually supporting our mission of helping people with disabilities to find meaningful employment. So you're supporting your community right here in Edmonton.
So if you're even thinking about Halloween, and you should be, this is the place to go. Again, goodwill.ab.ca.